Welcome to Kanda Brother, manufacturer and exporter of threaded rods and bolts. The company was established in 2004. At Ludhiana, we serve to automobile, construction, and heavy metal industries. Rigorous quality checks, multiple payment options, and large production capacity are the factors that help us to stay ahead of our competitors. We offer a vast range of industrial and galvanized threaded rods, tie rods, brass, and iron U-bolts offered by us are well known for their durability. Our alloy, truck, and galvanized U-bolts are widely acclaimed in the market. We also provide metric U, L, and threaded I bolts that are one of the best in the market. Our organization is highly involved in providing an impeccable range of galvanized I bolts and threaded rods for constructions. We are offering a top-notch quality range of threaded I bolts for automotive and iron U-bolts for heavy metal industries. For more information, log on at www.kandabrothers.com.